Enda kuleta baby Zyra.
Goli one. Who is baby Zyra now?
Nchimanyi.
Simanyi. Zyra ayinza okwanga tamanyi. Okimanyi?
Yes. Zyra yatapana.
Ayinza okwanga tamanyi.
Zyra yatapana kumanyi. Just the waliwo kibayita difference in generation.
Searching it, right? Zyra is a child.
Kabebi.
Kakola music challenge. That's why. That's
why. Kama high school.
Mazima.
Sinamula.
Kati Zyra is
Ndaganga video, like something that maybe virus. Also, do you see this? This shouldn't happen when someone is talking about you as a brand. So I hope Zyra sees this. Bobera wakabi. Define yourself in such a way that oli mwangu wa could describe you. Like right now, I'm tasking him to give me Zyra's. Oh, chitegera. So Bangamba, who is Zyra? So she's a dancer.
She's a dancer.
So mutegede.
She's the hottest cake on TikTok right now.
What to mean what? And I want you to justify it. What do you mean? What is making her the hottest cake on TikTok? Congratulations, Zyra. Kati naye we consolidating tumanye Zyra akolachi. So that tugamba nti Zyra zina Zyra, what does Zyra do?
She dances.
No, tujja kitegeere.
Ann Kansiime yazavuruga yasamirira. Musimanyi Zyra Baby. Gwe Ann Kansiime otugamba kya mutomanyi Zyra Baby. Ann Kansiime otugamba kya mutomanyi Zyra Baby. Ann Kansiime magwako mwayitako. Injagala mumbuli amazima. Ann Kansiime yali yakola nga YouTube videos meka. Bamujjako interviews meka. Esawe eno mwagwa kati munonya masanyalaze. Mwogera kubaliko tubogereko. That is it. Kati Kansiime bakuwaga. Damoyogere ku Kansiime. Damoyogere ku Zyra. Ojategera nti abaana tubamanyi, abazadde tubamanyi, bamulirwa nabo tubamanyi, embwezi yebo tuzimanyi, enkoko tuzimanyi, embala tuzimanyi, ente tuzimanyi, emmese tuzimanyi. Ojategera ntukumanyi. Damoyogere ku Zyra. Fe twafakina, twamana, twayitako. We are expired.
Yani, I know kubera n'ekintu kimukakala nti ki. Era Zyra, I need you to take this information and whatever what she said. You know what I'm trying to say. And I took that information because literally if you sit down and you use your brain so well, you'll understand that she even, in the way of speaking, she even gave me advice. But nobody talked about that. You know what I'm trying to say. She was like, oh, Zyra, I don't know her. What she said, you know, I don't want to mimic or to repeat what she said because she's older than me, you know. But to me, nzosimanyi naye nze ne mama yabingambye ko ne mugachi nti mubati mutufu. Ko adaga naga naye mutufu, naye mugamba mama mutufu. Si buli muntu ntabira kumanya. That's why everywhere you go, like buli muntu ina jogenda or either in the supermarket or somewhere or whatever or what. Nobody knows you. You know yourself, my nigga. You know yourself. What I got in that is I just need to work hard. Yo, that's what I got in the saga kulimba. I don't know if I've like ndabisengo musiro, I don't know, but nze ndabira dala those who, you know, baby, I don't know, but to me there's some things that people need to understand, and not everybody is supposed to be knowing you. You know, you need to work hard so that people know you so much. Well, when says Mr. Money President Wafi, but he's known. You know me, Blue family knows me, everybody knows me. Sorry, Blue family knows me. People here on TikTok who are so much on TikTok know me. I know President Museveni. You know President Museveni. Kenyans know President Museveni. Everybody around knows the president of Uganda. But you can ask some country and the person's like, I don't even know where Uganda is. I don't even know what Uganda is. You know what I'm trying to say? Not everybody knows you, bro. My God. We still need to tutekanye ebintu kumituma tutwalanye ebintu so personal. It's very bad you to take something so personal and forget what people are telling you. You know, me, I literally don't take things so personal. When somebody says something, I look for something that Zyra, you need to do something that will represent you. You know what I'm trying to say? And I got that. I got it. I'm like, she said something. She said something. And I picked it. And I'm going to go with it. cut the crap. Oh. Just cut the crap. You know. Yep. Simano banda bisengo msiru, but nzobendaba. Monsoni wa benyiziza. Yeah.